Let's clarify HomeLink in your Tesla Model Y. If your Model Y was manufactured in late 2021 or later, it likely doesn't have built-in HomeLink. Tesla discontinued this feature, shifting towards smartphone app integrations to reduce proprietary hardware dependencies. The official Tesla solution is the Garage Door Opener Kit, which integrates seamlessly with the vehicle's touchscreen and supports select Chamberlain and LiftMaster openers via a wireless module installed in the garage. However, this is not a universal HomeLink clone and requires compatible hardware. For owners seeking broader compatibility with other brands like Genie or Craftsman, third-party retrofit modules have emerged as the primary solution. HomeLink is a wireless technology developed by Chamberlain Group that allows your vehicle to control garage doors, gates, and lights using radio frequency signals. It essentially turns your car into a universal remote for your home's automated systems. HomeLink operates using radio frequency signals in the 315 or 390 MHz range. It works by learning the unique code from your garage door remote and then replicating that signal wirelessly. This allows your car to communicate with garage door openers without needing physical buttons or wires. In Tesla Model Y vehicles from 2020 and earlier, HomeLink was built into the car with dedicated buttons. However, starting in late 2021, Tesla discontinued this feature. For newer models, retrofit kits connect via the vehicle's systems and display controls on the 15-inch touchscreen. Setting up HomeLink involves three main steps. First, check that your garage door opener is compatible, typically operating at 315 or 390 MHz. Second, install the retrofit hardware, which usually connects to the vehicle's OBD2 port or CAN bus. Third, program the system by teaching it your garage door's unique code through the touchscreen interface. Fundamentally, HomeLink relies on secure radio frequency communication to replicate your garage remote signal. The system uses rolling codes and encryption to prevent hacking. For safety, always ground the vehicle during installation and use professional services to avoid warranty issues. Several third-party modules provide HomeLink functionality for Tesla Model Y owners. Options like HomeLink 4U, MyQ Smart Garage, and TeslaMate connect via Bluetooth or the vehicle's OBD2 port. HomeLink 4U's 2025 update supports over 95% of major garage door brands, including Genie and Craftsman. It integrates with Tesla's API for voice commands through the vehicle's microphone. MyQ Smart Garage works with Chamberlain openers and integrates with smartphone apps for remote control. It can be paired with Tesla's system for seamless touchscreen access. TeslaMate connects through the OBD2 port and provides a dashboard interface for monitoring and controlling garage doors alongside vehicle data. Tesla has added native support for app-based garage controls in the infotainment system through over-the-air updates, reducing the need for physical modules for compatible smart openers. First, confirm that your Model Y lacks built-in HomeLink. Check the vehicle's sun visor and touchscreen for any HomeLink buttons. Vehicles manufactured from late 2021 onward do not include this feature. Next, test your garage opener frequency. Most systems use 315 or 390 MHz. Use a frequency counter to verify your opener's signal. This ensures compatibility with the retrofit module. Now install the module, typically under the dashboard. Route wires to a power source and antenna. This often requires drilling a small hole for the external antenna. Use the provided tools carefully. For programming, enter pairing mode using the Tesla touchscreen or dedicated app. Place your garage remote near the module and press the Learn button to teach the system your garage code. Test the connection. Finally, prioritize safety. Always ground the vehicle to prevent electrical shorts. Use insulated tools and consider professional installation to avoid warranty issues. Installing HomeLink retrofits in your Tesla Model Y can come with some challenges. Let's look at the main issues and how to avoid them. You might encounter interference from other electronics near the installation area. To avoid this, keep other wireless devices away during setup and testing. Older garage door motors may not be compatible with modern retrofit modules. Always test your specific motor model before purchasing and installing. Rolling code vulnerabilities can compromise security. Ensure your module uses secure, encrypted connections to protect against hacking. Tesla may void your warranty for unauthorized modifications. To avoid this, always use professional installation services. Buying an incompatible kit can lead to wasted time and money. Always check your garage door brand and model compatibility before purchasing. If using a phone app module, double-check that the correct phone has access to the app and is properly synced before installation. Real-world examples show both successes and failures with garage door retrofits in Tesla Model Y vehicles. These cases highlight the variability in outcomes and underscore the importance of choosing certified parts and professional installation. A successful retrofit occurred in 2024 with a 2022 Model Y using the HomeLink 4U module to control a Genie garage door. The installation took about 2 hours with professional help and cost $450. The system has been reliable for 18 months, though initial app syncing required relocating the module to avoid Bluetooth interference. Another success story involves a 2023 Model Y owner who installed the official Tesla garage door opener kit with a Chamberlain opener. This DIY installation took only 30 minutes and provided seamless touchscreen control for the door, plus additional devices like gates and lights. The owner noted the system's compatibility and ease of use as key advantages. However, not all installations succeed. In a 2024 case, a generic OBD2 module installed in a 2021 Model Y caused intermittent touchscreen freezes and other issues. The problem was resolved by a Tesla service center reset, costing them $50, but it highlights the risks of non-certified parts and improper installation. These examples demonstrate the wide range of outcomes with garage door retrofits. Success depends on choosing compatible, certified components and having professional installation to avoid costly repairs and warranty issues. Looking ahead, garage door integration with Tesla vehicles is evolving rapidly. The industry is moving away from proprietary systems toward universal, app-centric controls that work seamlessly across different brands and platforms. Integration with smart home ecosystems is expanding significantly. Tesla owners can now connect their vehicles to platforms like Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Amazon Alexa, allowing voice control through the car's infotainment system or smartphone apps. Future Tesla software updates may introduce innovative features like solar-powered garage modules. These modules could harness renewable energy to power garage door operations, aligning with Tesla's sustainability goals and reducing homeowners' energy costs. By 2030, experts predict fully wireless, AI-driven systems where Tesla vehicles can autonomously open garages upon approach. Using advanced sensors and vehicle-to-infrastructure communication, cars will detect their location and communicate directly with garage systems for hands-free access. As these technologies advance, cybersecurity will remain a top priority. Aftermarket garage modules must incorporate robust encryption and secure protocols to prevent hacking attempts. Tesla and third-party manufacturers are investing in advanced security measures to protect vehicle and home systems.